Hi and good morning. I'm back in my writing hut and the floor is clean, which is good. Um, I'm hoping I can get through this 1 minute video without sneezing. Yesterday, I think I sneezed all day long through the night as well, and I don't know whether it's an allergy or a bug, but it is what it is. Feeling a bit bleh, but still did my rewrite because it doesn't really matter how I'm feeling. If I can sit up and type for a while, then I will put my characters through some difficult times. They're not ill, but they do have a big storm to contend with. Thanks for watching.